In this video, we're going to talk about a couple additions to SysQue version 9.3 for the Duct application. When you launch Duct after updating or when you install SysQue 9.3 fresh, you'll see on your palette you have a Duct Merge and a Duct Break utility that exist on the side of your palette here. Duct Break is exactly as it sounds. It's a utility to take unsegmented duct and segment it according to your specifications and connector table. It'll also re-segment. So for instance, if you have a run that is currently segmented and you want to break it, you want to merge it and break it again to optimize the existing after a change, simply select your runs, run Duct Break, and it'll perform that action. Duct Merge is exactly as that sounds, is it will take previously segmented duct, allow you to go back to one piece of duct so you can make modifications. And there's also some additional memory function in there for you to optimize data as well. And we'll go through that here in just a second. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to focus on this return line here. Go ahead and highlight this run. I want to isolate it so we can pay attention. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and process this to my fittings. Now I do have auto break off. If you haven't seen our auto break option video, go jump over to the YouTube channel when we're done here and take a look at the option for auto break, as this is going to pertain to your workflow and give you some boosted productivity to get you into coordination. So for this example, I've gone ahead and processed this without my auto break on. So what I'm getting is essentially just my fabricatable fittings and then also single straight runs of duct not yet optimized. So what I'm going to do is we're here. I'm going to go ahead and just optimize my duct by clicking Duct Break. This is going to run through, take a look at the spec settings. What are my standard length values per spec line based on size? And it's going to populate my connector table for the joints and the correct length for my single straights. Now, one of the benefits of Duct Merge, right? So I've already segmented this. Now, what if I want to move this tap down and put it on this other segment? We know that as soon as we cross a connector with an element, we're going to get an MEP warning. Let's take a look at this from overhead. If I were to just grab this run, we know that there will be a problem because as soon as if you look at the north side of that, the top, if I cross that connector, I'm going to get an error that the connection's been modified and it just won't work. So I'll hit cancel. So now what I'll need to do is come in here and I want to merge these ducts. Now, you'll notice that when I hit Duct Merge, I'm going to get a prompt. You'll only get this prompt if you have data in one of these fields that are listed here. So in this one, in the comments, I have this run called out for the air handler. And if I want to retain this, I just go ahead and say yes. If not, click no, and it'll carry on. So I'm going to say yes. My duct will be merged. My data will be present in comments, which is the field that was attributed to. And now I'm free. I can come over here and grab this run, move this where I want it, and then I can re-break my duct. So the Duct Merge is a very handy utility to make modifications quickly, where previously you would be forced to delete a joint, and now it leaves a gap there and you still can't move this over. So Merge actually allows us to do just that and merge our duct. Now, again, as I mentioned before, if you did, say you dropped a T into a run and you wanted to re-break to optimize, the Duct Break utility will actually merge the duct first. You see our joints disappear and then come back and break them again. So you may find that handy as well as you're kind of manipulating your model into your coordination perfection per se. All right, I think that's going to wrap us for this video. If you would, head over to our YouTube channel and take a look at all of our other 9.3 videos. Thanks for watching.